Wow, it's quite the weather out here. It's quite bright. Anyway, here we go. What's good, my tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. I know you guys missed me. I know you've missed me. It's been a long time. It's been a long time coming, but I decided to start doing my videos a little bit differently. I don't want to be one of them tech reviewers or whatever they call it that sit on the table like I'm Box Therapy and do his video. That's not me. I don't like sitting around. I like being out doing my thing. So we're out here in the lovely, beautiful savannah, they call it. Back home they call it beautiful savannah. Okay, anyway, so I know you guys are here for a reason, and it's to see the HP laptop being unboxed. That's the HP laptop in there. It's always a box of HP, you know how it is. It's bright out here, by the way. But anyway, this is the HP Pavilion gaming laptop, 15. And that 15 means it's 15 inch. It's a 15-inch laptop, full-size laptop, which is flipping great. I'm gonna put it down because it's heavy. But yeah, we're gonna unbox it. We're gonna see what's in the box. I'm gonna read out some specs for you guys. There's some specs in the box, so I'll show you guys that as well. Read some specs out, tell you a little bit more about the laptop. And yeah, we're gonna unbox it, see what's in the box. And yeah, do a review on it because it's my own product, not sponsored. No one sent it out to me. I'll put it out with my own money. But yeah, this laptop, you're looking around £700. Basically £699, but £700. It was an offer, so it's normally 700 and something pound, I don't know, but I got it for £700, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, good for gaming. Well, it already says it's gaming on the box. But yeah, good for gaming. Productivity is gonna be good as well because it's got i5 9 generation in there. So yeah, without further ado, let's crack the box open and also drop this rig down because it is flipping heavy. I've got a DSLR camera on there with a flipping lens that's like the size of a football, like the Americans say. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get right into the unboxing. So, let's just quickly cut the seal open and let's open it up. Right, so here we have the box. You can't really see me because the camera's, I don't know, but yeah, anyway. Right, let's see some specifications on this bad boy. What's the specification side? Right here, so sweet. Right, I don't think that camera can pick it up, so you're gonna have to pick it up. So, as you see, we've got that's the name of the PC right there. And we have a 9th gen, well, i5 9 gen. And then we have, i5 9th gen processor, sweet, okay. And then we have a 256 gigabyte solid drive, well, SSD. And then we have a no optical drive, no idea what that is, but it's got Windows 10 built in already. It's got 8 gig of RAM, DDR4, so the latest version of the RAM, DDR3. We had DDR3, now we've got DDR4 and it's running on DDR4. And it's got, it basically just gives you the size of the screen. It's got a full HD LED display, and then B&O sound system, and it's got a NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics card, which is the GTX 1650, which is the main reason why I bought this laptop. And then it tells you you can put Ethernet cable in it, and also it's Bluetooth capable as well. But anyway, moving around the box, there's nothing really much to tell you or see. It's just you have a big logo. I mean, I wish HP actually put more mind into their boxes, because the boxes is just plain brown box. That's pretty much it. Anyway, what's in the box? We have, well, the first thing we have is a bit of this. Looks like some kind of instruction. That's it. Instruction. Well, setup instruction. Let's have a look at that. So what we got in here? We got basically just tells you how, well, where the buttons are and stuff like that is. The power button. See there. Power button. How to charge it up. Then just gives you a bit of information on where, what is, keyboard, all that. Basically the ports, it tells you what they are. we'll be looking through the port soon. And that's pretty much it. And then at the back here, you have some gestures. I like about that. But gestures you can do on the touchpad. You have some. I'm not really going to get into this because it's an unboxing video, not a review video. But yeah, we have gestures you can do. But yeah, we don't really need this. What else do we have in the box? Then, oh wow. Jack, can you see that? Trying to be unbox therapy here. Jack, I have Jack in the corner there. No, on the right side, well, for you guys will be the left side, which is over here. We have the charging cables, which is pretty nice because if we don't have a charging cable, we can't keep the laptop juiced up. Oh no, it's my first time actually unboxing a laptop on this channel, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But whoa, whew, have a look at that! Wow, look at the flipping charging brick. Oh, can you take that out? Yes, you can. I'm not going to because I don't want to break it. But yeah, look at that. Look how sexy that looks, man. Jack, have a look at that. Look how sexy that looks. Look at that. Flipping out, that looks so nice. That looks really, really, really nice. Is this fast charging capable? Nah, it's just 150. It's got a 150 watt charge on it. Well, I don't know. But yeah, it's a really nice charger. You know what I'm saying? But let's put that aside. We're not here for this. We're not here for this at all. Anyway, there's nothing else in there. Nothing else in there. Now, here comes the beast. I've got these little fins kind of holding it in place so it doesn't wiggle around. Let's put that aside. Oh, what's this? This is probably something to do with warranty. I have no idea. Oh no, this is spec sheets. Is it spec sheets? Yeah, there's a bit of spec. There's a bit of spec on it. Yeah, there's a bit of spec on this. But yeah, that's spec sheet. You have different languages on there. You got English in the top right corner. Yeah, in case you're into the spec list or whatever, you can have a look at that. But now, the main attraction, the actual laptop. And there's nothing else in the box, so we can put that aside. Wow, let's just open this up. Holy! Look at that. Put in this nice protective film. Put that in there. But yeah, look at this. Wow. Look at that. Tell me that does not look good. Look at that. Look at that, Jack. Tell me that don't look good. Look at the back. Look at it flipping back. That is mad. And then look at the fans, bro. Look at the fans. Look at the fans. Oh my god. That looks like a proper gaming laptop. My first time ever having a gaming laptop, and whoa, that is very impressive from HP. Let's put this away. Okay, right. Anyway, before we open it up, let's have a look at some of this port. So we have obviously the charging port right there where you charge it up, and then we have two USB. Yeah. Would have liked to see a USB 2.0, but I mean no 3.0. But you just get the normal 2.0, which is there, and then there you have the headphone jack, 3.5mm headphone jack, and then that's it on that side. And nothing else on this side. But this side, you obviously have HDMI, and then we have one more 2.0 USB port, and then we have an Ethernet port, and then what's this? We have I think that is a USB-C port, and then obviously the SD card slot, which for me is amazing because obviously when I do these videos I shoot on an SD card, so I can literally just take it out, shove it in, edit the video instead of having to get the wire from my from my camera to the laptop and transfer the files over that way. I don't want to be having to do that, so that's why mainly I bought this, because of the SD card reader, which is right there. But anyway, let's open this up. But anyway, we have some nice flipping design on this bad boy. Have a look there. You have the nice Pavilion writing down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is there. And then you have the nice HP logo, which is up front, which looks amazing. But yeah, we have on the back, no, on the back, we have these little fans, which are pretty damn cool. And that's it. I mean, it is quite a hefty laptop. You just got to bear that in mind, but it is worth it. It's worth it for a hefty laptop. Right, let's open this up. You seen that, Jack? Woo! Wow, look at that. You've got this nice protecting film thing over there, protecting it. Let's take that out. Let's put that away. Unfortunately, we don't have any silica gel for you, Jack. We don't have any silica gel for you, so we can't throw any at you. Do we? No, we don't have any silica gel. Wow, this wind is just blowing everything everywhere. Anyway, this is nice. This is, have a look at that. That is a nice piece of kit. That is a nice laptop right there. That is a nice laptop. Anyway, on the top, we have obviously the GeForce logo over there, saying it's got NVIDIA built in. And then we have the Intel i5 9th Gen. Just so when people see this laptop and they see you using it, they know exactly what you're running, basically, because that's the main importance of owning a tech. Because yeah, it's just like a boast thing for people to know what specs, what you're using, all that, this, that. All right, let's boot this on. It's just coming on right now. By the way, you can't see it, but these keyboard, they're back, no, the light up, the backlight. Yeah, they've got backlight underneath the keyboard, but this is it. It's turned on now. You probably can't see it because it's quite sunny out here, but let me just quickly get in here. But yeah, we are in. You can't really see that. Can you see on this side? Yes, you can. Just a little bit. It's got a matte screen finish, which looks absolutely wonderful. There you go. Yeah, the keyboards are backlit. I think you can see it much better on this camera. The keyboards are backlit, which looks absolutely amazing. But yeah, it looks so good. It looks amazing. Then you got like this nice little cutout edge here, which makes it look even more better, like a proper robust gaming laptop. But yeah, the mouse track, the trackpad is quite nice on the fingers. It's very, very nice on the fingers. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. But yeah, man. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Like I said, like the video, subscribe also, so I can do more videos like this. And HP, if you're watching this, please sponsor me, because your product is absolutely fantastic. But yeah, anyway guys, without further ado, I'm gonna have to catch you guys later. I'm gonna go enjoy this this laptop. I need to stop calling that a PC, because I have a PC. Yeah, it's a laptop. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Peace.